Okay, here's my ceiling fan on its top speed. I do have this connected to a remote control, so sometimes not all the speeds work when it's connected to that. I'll try to slow it down. Okay, that should be the second speed. Now I chose this fan because it produces the most volume of air of any of the fans that I found. Here will be the next level. I believe that's the slowest speed, but I'll try it one more time. Yep. And I think that's it. That's off. Anyway, it moves a lot of air, and I like the color for the garage.